Hello everybody, this is Emmanuel with Willis Cleaning Products in Fayetteville, Georgia. Gonna do a quick video of one of the rigs we just built. Got two of the stainless steel Magnum machines by Nilfisk. One 8 gallon a minute at 3,500 psi, one 5 gallon a minute at 3,500 psi. So this guy right here will be great for doing some surface cleaning. You can still use a wand with it. It's a little heavy to run all day, but some people like that. Real good for doing soft washing if you're doing your chemical mix through your soap injector. The second one over here is going to be a 5.5 at 3,500. That's real good, you know, with something you're going to hold in your with a wand all day. This is your 12 gallon a minute, 300 psi soft wash. And so this guy got it plumbed up where you can do freshwater clean out right here with your first valve. You can turn off your valve to your bleach tank or whatever your chemical you're going to be using. Turn it off. Quick, easy, whatever, bypass or pressure. Turn down your pressure or lighten up your pressure. Like I said, 300 pounds are usually what it's doing. 12 gallons a minute. With a 1/2-inch hose, 300 foot of it, you're not going to get quite 12 gallons a minute. Maybe more, about 9 to 10 gallons a minute. Got your 3 electric Summit hose reels. Got it nicely wired up. Everything's pretty clean. Comes back to your solenoids, jumps over to your nuts, into your nuts. 10 gauge wire, so it's gonna hold up pretty good. 2 extra chemical tanks on the back. Put your degreaser in one, put some concentrate bleach in the other if you want. Got jumper hoses. Before we crimped the ends on, we ran poly braid hose over the pressure hose, just anywhere that would be a rub spot, you know, it could cause some issues. Got an extra plumbed up 1-inch hose coming out to the 5.5 gallons a minute, so plenty of volume going to the machines. Stainless steel machines look really good. Changed up, instead of the pressure switches, we put the flow switches on here, so a little bit better running the burner off of those. They don't go out near as bad or near as fast. So anyhow, that's pretty much it. Same thing on this pressure hose. As you can see, we ran some poly braid over the top of it underneath spots that should rub or wear pretty quick. Just standard 3/4 inch ball valves. We got, this one is going to be your drain right here, so you can drain your water out or wash your hands if you want to. So we got 2 7,500 pound axles on this trailer, so it can handle all the weight. Pretty jam up rig. And these, we, even though it's 10 gauge wire, we usually suggest just one hose reel at a time be ran. So that's going to be for a garden hose feed line. That's going to be 2 pressure hose for the left machine and the right machine. So 8 gallon a minute over here, 5.5 right here. And this guy right here is going to be for an extra feed. So you can come off the side, just standard hand crank on that one. But that'll feed the tank. Hook it up to a spigot. So anyhow, that's pretty much it. Did the same flow switch on the 8 gallon a minute. Those work really good. So as you can see right there, these machines do have engine hour meter and your burner hours, and it's actually only when you're pulling the trigger that the burner hours are reading. So you get the most accurate heat on coil hours as you can get. But I don't know if you can tell, we ran the 2 gas tanks on one side, so that way he only has to pull up to the gas pump once, and then the 2 diesel tanks on the other, so we swapped those around. So, and his truck is diesel, so he can get diesel on his truck, get diesel on the 2 machines, and then pull up and get gas on the other side. So only have to pull out the credit card twice. Now, as you can see, he covered all this up before he brought it over to us, just to kind of keep it, you know, bleach proof somewhat. And now he didn't think about putting it under here, so he said on his next rig maybe he'll do that. He's gonna try his best not to spill it everywhere, but Y'all know how that can go. Anyhow, that's her. So if you want to look into getting us to build one of these for you, you can contact Emmanuel Willis at 770-716-7223, and we'll be glad to put you together a quote. Thank you, and have a great day.